Too many people overlook this critical function, and the results can be catastrophic. In this video, we're going to reveal a product that will completely change how you think about VMS integration, ACTi VMS integration. Whether you're a school security manager, a factory administrator, or a systems integrator for traffic infrastructure, you must watch this video to the end. Your security investment for the next 3 years could depend on it. Let's talk about flexible streaming to online platforms. ACTi VMS integration supports RTSP protocol, allowing cameras to stream directly to platforms like OBS and YouTube. This is crucial for schools offering remote teaching, factories broadcasting production lines, and traffic centers issuing live updates. Parents can view school events remotely, managers can monitor factory zones from anywhere, and traffic control teams can keep the public informed in real time. Centralized health and system status monitoring. The ACTi System Health Server aggregates performance data from NVRs and cameras, using ENR SDK and APIs for proactive diagnostics. Schools can detect failed devices instantly, factories can prevent costly downtime, and transportation systems can ensure uninterrupted operations. Modular NVR support for scalable deployments. With ENR, ZNR, and NVR3 models, ACTi offers flexible architectures with clear API paths. Schools can scale based on campus size, factories can expand with production lines, and traffic systems can build massive citywide surveillance networks without overhauls. Native interoperability between ACTi devices. All ACTi cameras, NVRs, access control servers, and health servers integrate seamlessly through SDKs and APIs, no third-party plugins needed. Schools unify access and video logs, factories combine environmental control with access logs, and traffic hubs integrate passenger monitoring with traffic light systems. Cross-platform compatibility with third-party devices. ACTi supports OMBIF, CDPP licenses, RTSP streams, and standard API documentation. Even if you're using third-party VMS or cameras, integration is seamless, making it an ideal upgrade path for those transitioning from Milestone or legacy systems. Unified access control and video surveillance integration. The access control server synchronizes door station events with video feeds. This lets administrators instantly review security events. Schools can monitor student and visitor entries, factories can restrict access to high-risk zones, and transit hubs can enhance passenger screening. Stop wasting money on licensing fees and avoid the headache of complex integrations. Choose ACTi VMS integration now to build your all-in-one smart security platform. Click the link below to learn more and discover the most cost-effective VMS integration solution on the market today.